So today we get lots of vegetables. This is potato and carrots. They are in the pot to getting cooked. Additionally, we have red rice here. We have a lot of veggies here. Of course, we have garlic, and we put some nice stuff in the mixer. So the veggies are all in the pan. Everything is cooking here wonderfully. And the rice is nearly ready. Just wait a moment. So that's the final result. We have the rice, we have the potatoes, and we have the eggs. Now comes the wonderful sauce. So, come on the rice in the middle. So that is a very good and healthy meal.